Want to back up your Elementor website safely? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process so you never have to worry about losing your site again. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. And if you're into building professional websites, you need to try Elementor. It's my go-to for every project. Grab it through my affiliate link and start creating today. Start by opening your browser and going to the Hostinger homepage. Before we begin, make sure your WordPress-based website is already connected to your Hostinger account. That's important for this process to work. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand side menu panel and click on Websites. From there, go to the Websites list. Now, pick the website you want to work on and click the Dashboard button next to it. You'll be taken to your website's dashboard. Again, from the left-hand side menu, click on Files and then select Backups. On this new page, you'll see 4 types of backup options: Restore Website, File Backups, Database Backups, and Generate New Backup. Go ahead and click on Generate New Backup. A disclaimer will pop up with 2 options. Just hit the Proceed button to move forward. Hostinger only allows you to generate 1 new backup every 24 hours. So be sure you're doing this at the right time. That's it. Your WordPress-based website backup will now be created automatically. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.